Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about list in Excel. So how can we create list in Excel? So the list is an option given from which the user has to select. The user don't need to write it down by keyboard. They have to select from the options. So there are two ways in which we can create a list in Excel. So let's assume there is an option of name and class. The students are required to fill their name in the name column and their class in the class column. So the name is very varied option. We cannot specify all the name in a list, and this is not also appropriate. So the class can be given in an option because the class are limited. So we can give the class options. So for creating a list over here, let's assume we are having three classes: graduation, post graduation, and PhD. So we are having three classes over here. So we have to create a list. So for that we have to go to data validation, and there comes a window from which we can select. So in data validation window, setting option list is there which we have to select. So here we can use any of the two options. The first option is to give the options right over here by pressing comma. So I'm writing graduation, post graduation, PhD, and pressing enter will give a list. So if I want, I can create, and there are three options from which I can select. So for the next option, we are going to data validation, setting options, and in that we got the list. So here in source, what we can do, we can select the source like this, okay, and pressing enter will give us the same result. So giving the name as ABC, and now we are having the three options. We can select any of that. So in this way we can create list in two ways in Excel. So hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel and follow the channel on Instagram for more updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.